Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to modify personalization tags in ActiveCampaign. This is incredibly useful when you want to customize how contact information appears in your email campaigns or ensure your tags match your naming conventions perfectly. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to ActiveCampaign.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your ActiveCampaign dashboard where you can access all the tools you need to manage your contacts and campaigns. Now look over to the left side menu where you'll see several options for navigating through ActiveCampaign. Click on Contacts. This section is where you manage all your contact information and custom fields. From the Contacts menu, click on Fields. This is the area where all your contact fields and their personalization tags are stored and managed. To get started with modifying personalization tags, you'll first need to create a new custom field if you don't already have one. ActiveCampaign automatically generates a personalization tag for each new custom field you create. This tag is what you'll use when inserting dynamic content into your emails, so it's important that it's named correctly and organized properly. Once your field is created, it's time to modify it. Find the field you want to edit from your list and click the pencil icon next to it. This will open up the editing interface where you can make several important changes. The first thing you can change is the field name. This is essentially the label of the field, the name that helps you identify what information it contains. Keep it clear and descriptive so you and your team know exactly what data is stored there. Next, you can modify the personalization tag itself. This is the exact tag you'll insert into your emails to pull in contact information dynamically. It's worth noting that if you change the field name, the personalization tag usually updates automatically to match, keeping everything synchronized. You can also adjust the group where the field is organized. This could be something like general details, personal info, or custom fields. Organizing your fields into groups makes it much easier to find and manage them, especially as your contact database grows. Another useful option is setting a default value. If a contact doesn't have information in this field, ActiveCampaign can use this default value instead. This prevents your emails from looking incomplete or showing blank spaces where personalized content should be. Finally, you can control whether the field is visible on forms. This determines if the field appears on your sign-up forms, giving you control over what information you collect directly from new subscribers. Once you've made all your desired changes, click Save to apply them. Your personalization tag is now modified and ready to use in your campaigns. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.